Hey guys, this is Gavin Phillips from Make Use Of, and I'm going to quickly show you how to fix your system service exception error. First up, you need to check that Windows 10 is completely updated. Hit the Windows key and I to open the settings panel, head to Update and Security, and over here under Windows Update you'll see your update status. If there's an update pending, save any important files, then hit Install Now or Restart and let Windows take care of business. Next up, double check your system drivers are up to date. Windows 10 takes care of your drivers using Windows Update, but sometimes bits and pieces fall through the net. Head back to the Windows Update section. This time select View Update History. Recent updates appear here in the update history. Now, type Device into your Start menu search bar and select the Device Manager. Scroll down the Device Manager and check for any yellow alert symbols. If you find one, open the driver bracket, then right click and select Update Drivers, or not Disable Device like I did there. Select Search automatically for updated driver software and let Windows automate the process for you. You can see mine's already updated, so it's not going to do it, but yours should find one if you're online. Next, we're going to use the Check Disk utility to check for corrupted files on your hard drive. Open an elevated command prompt by pressing the Windows key and X, then selecting Command Prompt Admin from the Power menu. Next, type chkdsk/r and press Enter. The command will scan your drive looking for errors. If you run into the warning like mine, press Y and restart your system to run the Check Disk Repair command. When Check Disk completes, we can move on to our next system scan, the system file check. Before running the sfc command, we need to run a command that checks and verifies the Windows 10 image file. The system file check essentially compares system files to a complete Windows 10 image, replacing any broken files with the ones from the verified image. In the command window, type dsm/online/cleanup-image/restore health, then wait for the command to complete. It can take up to 20 minutes and sometimes looks like it has stopped, but just wait and be patient and it will complete. After the Restore Health command completes, we can run the sfc Scan Now command. This command scans your system files for errors and corrects any issues along the way, as opposed to the Check Disk command that scans your entire hard drive. Again, this process can take a minute or three, so go and make a cup of tea and relax. Finally, there's a hotfix available for the system service exception error, but only for Windows 7 and Windows Server 2008 R2. It mainly applies to IEE 1394 devices, in other words, FireWire and other branded versions of the interface. Head to the Microsoft Hotfix page, select the Hotfix download available link, then enter your email address and wait for the link to arrive in your inbox. It's fairly instantaneous, so check straight away. When it arrives, click the link at the bottom of the page to download the auto-extracting archive. Once downloaded, double-click the archive, then select Run, Continue, and add Hotfix to the file path. Select OK, then head to the location where you saved the file, then double-click the file and wait for the process to complete. It won't complete on my computer because I'm running a different operating system. Okay, one of those fixes should have alleviated your system service exception error. If you found the video useful, hit like and subscribe to the Make Use Of channel for more tips, tricks and giveaways. Thanks for watching, guys.